Hi guys, this is Yuberi. Welcome back to my channel. Are you still struggling with fragile pipelines that crash the moment a source schema evolves? The days of manual mapping are over as we integrate LLMs directly into a Spark logics for automated structural transformations. Discover how to replace your most brittle code with self-healing AI systems that scales effortlessly. Under this, the first we have the death of rigid schema mapping. Yes, the traditional ETL pipelines are collapsing under the weight of hypervariant data sources. Those static Python scripts you wrote, they are breaking weekly. So the manual schema definition is no longer the best practice. It's a primary bottleneck and a massive source of technical debt in a high velocity environments. We are witnessing a massive industry shift away from the hard coded line by line transformation logic towards intent based data engineering. Next, we have LLMs as a native Spark functions. By integrating foundation models directly into Spark worker nodes, we are unlocking a real-time semantic understanding of a raw data packets at massive scale. Generally, user-defined functions are evolving. We are trading regex heavy arithmetic for natural language processors that can read, understand, and classify data on the fly. And this architectural shift is the key to extracting a clean, structured signals from massive streams of previously unusable, unstructured text. Next, we have building a self-healing data infrastructures. The thing is, AI agents are now deployed to monitor pipeline failures. When an upstream data format change, they don't just alert you; they automatically suggest and implement the code patches. And automated metadata inference completely eliminates the need of human intervention when a new column drops or a nested object suddenly appears in the source stream. So these autonomous feedback loops upgrade our systems from reactive midnight troubleshooting to a proactive self-correcting state of data orchestration. And currently we are in the era of probabilistic data logic. That's the great trade-off. That is, we are officially trading the binary black and white certainty of traditional scripts for the more probabilistic accuracy of generative models. Because LLMs are probabilistic, new validation frameworks are mandatory. We have to score, audit, and trace the outputs of AI driven transformations to guarantee the data integrity. So, the biggest challenge of the modern data engineers is the balancing the heavy computational cost of LLMs with the model performance and accuracy. So in the future, the role of a data engineer, the job is no longer about writing a repetitive boilerplate code or maintaining pipelines. It's pivoting the designing the high level semantic rules that govern how AI behaves. And you are moving away from the brittle legacy system to orchestrating complex and multi-agent workflows. And the 2026 skill set you need to have is you should be mastering the bridge between the large language models and distributed compute engines like Spark is a definitive, non-negotiable skill set for a next decade of data engineers. Thank you for watching. We'll come up with the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.